In this video, I'm gonna show you how to enable call forwarding on iPhone. So let's get started. Well, with call forwarding feature, you can forward your mobile calls to a landline phone or another mobile phone. To enable call forwarding on iPhone, first open Settings app on your iPhone. Now scroll down and tap Phone option. Scroll down and tap Call forwarding. Here you will find call forwarding option with toggle switch. Just enable the switch to enable call forwarding feature. Now tap forward to option and here enter mobile number you want your calls to be forwarded to. Once you have entered the number, tap back to save the changes. You will see a message confirming that call forwarding is now enabled. Also, a call forwarding icon will appear in the status bar. To disable call forwarding, simply repeat these steps and toggle the switch to off. So next time when you receive any calls, it will be forwarded to the phone number that you have set as call forwarding number. So that is how you can enable call forwarding on iPhone. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.